Hi, you guys. I'm Leona with the owner of a Touch of Class Beauty Supply located in Los Angeles, California, off 107 and Western. And I am here today at Ted's Hair to purchase some hair for my clients. I've seen perfect reviews about Ted's Hair. I love the quality of the hair. The hair is soft. You can dye it. It's very manageable. I'm here to pick up some bundles and also some closures and frontals. They have it all here at Ted's Hair, located off Walnut Avenue off the 60 freeway. The shopping experience is amazing. I was able to get everything I need, and the quality of the hair is great as well. And they also have the 613 bundles, which I love. They also have the 1B um, 613, which a lot of clients ask for, but couldn't. It's hard to find. So here at Ted's Hair, they have it here.